Hey Chalk Nation, I'm back, and what time is it? It's Temu time. I got a fresh nail and toenail set for y'all, and we are going to be using builder gel for the first time, so let's get into it. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk, and I am finally back with another video. And these nails are sponsored by Temu, so shout out to Temu for sponsoring the nails in this video. So let's just get right into it. So we have another bomb press on nail and toenail matching set. That is the glue that I'm going to be using. No, it did not come with the nails, but it is also from Temu. That nail file did come with the nails. They also came with the nail stickers to stick the nails on, but y'all know I don't use those. And if you are new here, welcome to the Chalk Nation, where we do not use nail stickers because we want our nails to last long. Now this set comes with 24 press on nails and 24 press on toenails. So altogether this is a 48 piece matching nail and toenail set, and it is only $4. So let's talk about the quality of these nails. They are very sturdy at the tip, and they are on the thin side, but for them to be kind of thin, they definitely feel really sturdy. But I'm also going to be applying builder gel over my press on nails, which will be the first time that I've tried that method. I did order some builder gel from Temu, and I've been wanting to try it out, so we are going to apply it onto these nails to see how that method works to make the nails more sturdy and strong. But let's talk about the design on these nails while I'm sizing my fingers, because I love how the early 2000s or late 90s to early 2000s designs are making their way back around. Let me show y'all a little throwback in case y'all forgot. I came across this picture on social media and I was like, OMG, look at all the old school designs with the hand painted flowers and colors and prices. Oh my goodness. A full set was $22 and a fill was $15. Man, those were the days. And history definitely repeats itself, because here we are yet again with the designs. Too bad we can't go back to the prices, but at least we got Temu to get us some good prices on the nails. So now let's get into prepping our natural nails. My natural nails grow out so fast, so I always clip them down short before I apply my press-on nails. And I'm just using a regular nail clipper, nothing too crazy, just a regular nail clipper, and I'm just clipping them down short but not too short. I don't clip them down to the bone, but I just clip them nice and short. So next I'm going in with the nail file that came with the nails, and I'm just using this to gently shave the shine from my natural nails and roughen up the surface of my natural nails, so that when I get ready to apply the nails, they'll have a nice rough surface to stick to, and this helps your press-on nails stick better and last longer. So you definitely never want to miss this step when you are applying your press-on nails. And this is how your nails are going to look after you've done that. And next we are going to go in with some alcohol and acetone mixture and just spray your nails down to further dehydrate them. And it kind of air dries, but you can also take a cotton swab just to further dry your nails before applying them. Now this is the glue that I am using. It is from Temu. This glue is really good. I had ordered a 10 pack of these glues, and I think the 10 pack was only like $2, $2 or $3. And when I tell y'all, this glue works so good for my nails, this glue works really well. My nails always last a week or more, sometimes 2 weeks. I remember I used it to apply some press on toenails, and I literally had them toenails on for almost a month. So I highly recommend this glue. And this glue will be linked in the description, along with the press-on nails and toenails that I am applying in this video. And also in the description of this video will be a link for you to click to download the Temu app. And when you do that, make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 to save an additional amount on your order and get you a $100 coupon bundle. So make sure you guys check the links in the description of this video and get you some nails, because Temu got everything that you need. Even outside of nails, they have so many different things like appliances and things for your car, things for your house, makeup and beauty tools, toys for kids, clothes and shoes for kids. Even for adults, they have clothes and shoes. They have everything. So if you are not familiar with Temu and you don't have the app yet, make sure you click that link in the description box and download the Temu app. But I must warn you, you will be addicted, okay? I love Temu. I'll be ordering everything, and they have free shipping and free returns, and they have warehouses in the US now, so you get your packages even faster. But let's jump back into this tutorial. So as you can see, I have a nice bubble of glue on my natural nail, and then I take the press-on nail and I line it up gently around the cuticle area, pressing into the cuticle first, and then I gently press all the way down, making sure I am applying a nice amount of pressure, and also pressing against my side walls to make sure I have full coverage over my natural nails. And I press for about 30 seconds, and boom, just like that, the nails are on. This set is so bomb, y'all. I love the colors, perfect for summer, and it's just so cute. So now let's get into the toenails before I do my other hand. So I did the same prep that I did for my fingernails on my toenails. So I prepped my toes the exact same way. And now I am just applying a nice bubble of glue around my toenail. I'm using the brush on nail glue because it's just easier for me to do my toenails with it. And then we're gonna line that press on toenail up around the cuticle of our toe, and then we are going to start pressing and holding for 30 seconds. And also make sure you are pressing against the side walls of your toenails just like you would your fingers. So I am literally applying the toenails the same way that I apply my fingernails. However, I am using a tweezer for my smaller toes, just to make sure that I put the press on toenail in place properly. And since I do have long nails on my fingers, I needed to use the tweezer to help me out so that I make sure I'm applying them nice and straight and they don't come out crooked. So it's always good to use a tweezer when you are applying your toenails. And also your toenails are very small, so it's not a lot of room to hold your press on toenails with your fingers. With, you need to be able to see. So the tweezer definitely comes in handy. So now that I got my toenails on, I am going to be using this builder gel kit that I got from Temu as well, which will also be linked in the description of this video. It does come with 2 colors of builder gel. One is a nude, the pink one is nude, and the purple one is clear. I am going to be using the clear one, but I wanted you guys just to see how the nude one looks. And this builder gel is nice and thick. So I was like, okay, this should definitely add some extra strength to my nails. So yeah, make sure you guys check out this builder gel kit as well. You do need a full power UV LED lamp to cure the builder gel. So just keep that in mind. If you do get this kit, you are going to also need to get a UV LED nail lamp, a full power one, so that you can make sure the builder gel is cured thoroughly. So instead of using a base coat and a top coat, I'm just going to go in with the builder gel by itself because it acts as both. This is a 5-in-1 builder gel, so it can be used as a base coat. It can be used to apply gel X nails. It can also be used to apply rhinestones onto your nails. It can be used to extend your nails and also do nail repair with. So this builder gel is definitely multifunctional, which is good because you can get multiple uses from one thing. This is my first time using builder gel over my press-on nails. I heard this is a good way to add an extra layer of thickness to them and also make them more sturdy and stronger. And this builder gel is nice and thick, so I believe it. So I just applied a nice even coat of the builder gel on top of my press-on nails, and I am going to cure it for 90 seconds. It said you can cure for 60, but I'm going 90 just because I've never used it before. And right off top, I can definitely see a difference in the thickness of my nails. So I did cure it a second time for 90 seconds because I touched my nails to see if they were fully cured, and they felt a little tacky. So I was like, let me cure it one more time. But then I went to the instructions, and it says that there will be a sticky layer on the nail surface, which is easily mistaken for not dry. So I thought my nails wasn't dry, so I cured them a second time for 90 seconds, but that's actually just a tacky layer. And all you need to do is use some slip solution or some alcohol and wipe them down, and they definitely were fully cured. So that's why it pays to read the instructions. I was just kind of winging it. So always read the instructions. And my nails are looking so bomb, and they're definitely giving nail shop. But I did go in with my nail clipper and clip them down just a little bit because I didn't want them to be that long. So after I clipped them down, I did go in with a larger nail file just to shape my nails and get them that nice crisp shape that I was going for, a nice crispy square shape. And this is the finished look of the nails. They came out so bomb. I love these nails. I love Temu, and Temu gonna always come through. One thing about it, two things for sure: Temu gonna always come through with the come through. And I'm doing the glue test to make sure that the nails are nice and stuck on there. As you guys can see, they ain't going nowhere. I will keep you guys updated with how long these nails last. So make sure you guys check out my updates on my YouTube Shorts videos. The toes came out looking cute too. Not too much on my toes, y'all. Y'all just getting a little glimpse. I do not like showing my feet on video, but just know the toes was popping as well. Make sure you guys like this video for me. Drop a comment and let me know how you guys feel about the nails and toenails. Make sure you guys click the link in the description of this video. Download the Temu app. Use my referral code FAVE23582 to get your $100 coupon and save on your order. And make sure you guys subscribe. If you came this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.